Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome. I am out today on the road. Yes, I am on the road today, guys. So I don't know what I will bring to you today, but I'll try and find something to bring to you, okay? But please remember, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn that post notification bell on so you will be notified when I post my next video. Follow me on IG at charms_lifestyle, my business page at Golden Charm Beauty Palace, and my daughter's business page at Deidre's Fashion District. Now let's get in our video, guys. I bring it to you. So guys, I am here treating myself today. So I am right here. So green. So green. It's upside down, I know. It's so green. I'm treating myself today because I'm on the road all day. I'm gonna have a meal now because I've been on the road all day transacting some business. So I'm gonna have myself something to eat now, which I will share with you. I am at, I'll show you my stop. I can't get up now to do that, but I will definitely show you. It's the first time I'm having my meal here. It's so green, poke bowl. Yes, I'm having vegetable today. It's all vegetable with fruits. It's a mixture of everything. I have in this mango. I have carrots. I have beans. I'm not sure what this is. It's tasting like turnip. I have chicken. I have shrimp. I have cucumber. Let me see what I have here. I have cucumber. I have rice. I have pear. And I have peanut as my topping. Peanuts as my topping. It's here, guys. Look at it. So let's eat. Me don't know if me ever like it, you know. Me just order something. Because me never want a KFC. Me never want a Burger King. Me never want a McDonald's. So, me choose to go this way. But guess what, guys? The shrimp tastes raw. And my food is shrimp's raw. Salmon was there, but I don't like it. I don't like the taste of salmon. I don't know how them get the mango to taste, but it tastes real good. I don't know how them do. Me taste everything. The bean tastes raw, half cooked. Oh, and this is what I'm drinking. Okay. So green. This is my sauce. And I am drinking charity green. It's green tea. And guess what, guys? I get all of them to subscribe to my channel. All of them me tell to subscribe to my channel, and me nah left before them do it as me done. Me I go stand up from them. Cause guess what? From them here, so me a Jamaican, them gone crazy. And me tell them, say, any of them not subscribe to my channel, me coming back down here. This raw. Everything inside this tastes raw. I don't know if I might know what matter, but taste this. So everybody, guess what? I enjoyed my meal. Yes, I did enjoy my meal, and I'm gonna drink now. This is my way. I eat before I drink. So I'm gonna taste this drink now to see what it tastes like. And tell you the taste of this drink. A water. Water, when I say water, I mean water, no palm of sugar not in there. But let me tell you. Ginger in there. Let me say I can't understand some of them something up on the back here. It's a bio drink. It have ginger. It have green tea. Some of them are worried I don't know them. I mean I go try to say them in the people. So here what? Just know say a green tea with ginger in it. I mean I try to say them word because I can't say them. So I'm going to drink my drink. And then now, guess what I'm going to do when I'm done? I'm going to go back in this. I'm going to remind those girls, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay? So, I'm going to do that. I'm not going to it.